Here we go. Check this out. So 2-speed and sound cars. I'm gonna ask you guys just to move just behind the tire wall. It won't save your life, but it will make me feel better. Alright, okay, here we go. Check this out. 3 cars. Rian Stokes in the front. JP find a space second and following in third. Here we go, check. They're going up to their top coach. JP tucking into Rian. Is he crazy? Coming down to this bottom. Okay, John running out to fix the code. John, just stay there, John. Stay there, John. Oh, come on. These guys are looking for something exciting. Oh, we'll just kill a code.